Good morning, student. Welcome back in the video session classes. First of all, my introduction. Myself Daya Shankar from Modern International School Hiswa. I am computer science teacher in your school. Today, I teach the first topic, computer at a glance. Computer at a glance. Computer at a glance. Chapter 1, Class 5. Today I related in this chapter. Today I discuss in this chapter first what is computer, what is computer. Second, advantages of computer. Advantages of computer. And the third, components of computer system. Component of computer system. Today I discuss three topics in chapter number 1. Every student must watch in this video. I discuss what is computer. Everybody study in previous classes in class 4. Again I repeat what is computer. So first of all, computer is an electronic device that operates under the control of programs stored in its own memory unit. Or a computer is an electronic machine that process raw data to give information and output. Computer is an electronic device. First, a computer is an electronic device that accepts data as input and transform it under the influence of a set of a special instruction called programs to produce desired output. This is the computer. First topic I already discussed, what is computer. Second, what is the advantages of computer? What is the advantages of computer? There are so many advantages of computer, but I discuss mostly 5 advantages. First, a speed. The speed of computer processing depends on the speed of central processing unit in your computer. So then a speed of computer totally depend to CPU, central processing unit. The process the data at a very high speed. This is the first advantage of computer. Second advantage of computer, accuracy. Second advantage of computer, accuracy. What is the accuracy? Accuracy means Hindi term शुद्धता. Accuracy means the conditions or quality of being true, correct or exact. This is the meaning of the accuracy. It produces a result with 100% accuracy. Suppose you put to the data, input data you put in the computer system, you put 100% input, the computer is always time provide to the 100% output result. There is no any such type of cheating. This is the accuracy. Third advantage of computer, diligence. Third advantage of computer, diligence. Diligence. Diligence means Hindi term थकावट. Computer can work for, what is the diligence? Computer can work for many hours continuously without taking any rest and without decreasing its speed, accuracy and efficiency. There are three important points of the diligence. First, without decreasing its speed. First, second, accuracy and efficiency. And my fourth point, memory. This is a very important point, memory. Computer memory is any physical device. Computer memory is any physical device capable of storing information temporarily or permanently, like RAM and ROM. This is the memory. And the last important point, versatility. Versatility. Versatility means the capacity to perform different type of work completely. I again repeat in this sentence, versatility means the capability to perform different type of work completely, because they can be used for all sort of tasks. Computer can perform to the different tasks and the different area. This is the advantage of computer. And my third topic, what is the computer system? My third topic, computer system. Computer system is a basic, complete and functional compute including all the hardware and software required to make the functional for a user. This is the computer system. I again repeat in particular sentence, a computer system is a basic, complete and functional computer including all the hardware and software required to make it functional for a user. Computer is a machine that can be instructed to carry out sequence of arithmetic or logical operation automatically via computer programming. This is the computer system. There are two components of the computer system. First component hardware and the second component software. But today I am not discussing the. Today This is the end of your topic. What is computer, advantage of computer and the component of computer system. This is the end of your topic. Thank you so much.